So we seen the setup. Okay. So you know the type of journal, right? We already did.
Yes, yes.
So you want to go to journal? Okay, we'll see anyway. Okay, what are all the features?
Okay.
We'll see.
Okay.
In one journal, we'll club everything. So you can create as a batch or you can create as a journal. Batch means you'll give a name. So journal means you will give directly, like journal. Just click the journal. Okay. So I'll give a journal name. So I have to select the category. So I told a category under the module is like sales means it may be invoice, it may be received, it may be everything. Okay. So the currency. So here I am changing to foreign currency. So type user means you can enter manually. I'm giving some amount. So these are all the shortcut allies. You know the setup, there are some shorthand allies. There you created this. You can get it here. Okay. Otherwise, you have to create all the 5 segment you have to give manually. Okay. I'm giving in INR. So I given some point. So a rough calculation, it calculates into USD because I given a foreign currency. I'll give shift F5. Shift F6 will copy everything. So now I am giving 99,999. Okay. So there is a 1 rupee difference. Okay. And just I'm saving it. So what are we given? We given a foreign currency journal and also I given an unbalanced journal. So the user rate also we seen and just save it. So now I have to post the journal. Then we can see the suspense account is enabled. I posted it. Okay. Right. So the status is once I selected unposted to selected for posting. Selected for posting is the second stage. Then it will be posted. Okay. When you see the view request find, so it is completed. So now where is the requery? So you can see it is posted, right? Still it is there. So I'll close this and give a percentage, give it. Because sometimes what happens, it is adding the date and time also. So it is posted. Okay. You can see the 1 rupee, which is converted because this is a very low division. No? Because it's 75 or 100, it is coming as 0. So you get a description, suspense accounts created automatically. And I can reverse also. So the reversal, you can reverse in the next period or I create in the current period. Normally, they will do because it's a mistake, right? And for revaluation, every month end, you will run a revaluation for the assets, right? Suppose you have to reassess the building value and every value. So what happens? The revaluation has to be reversed tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow means the next month. Revaluation, the policy is you reevaluate and once again it will come to, it is a unrealized gain or loss. It should not affect the book value. Okay. So they will put in the next month and save it. So it will be automatically created. So these are all you can do in journal. Right. So next post journal, you can select all the unposted and post here. So whatever the unposted, you can select. Post. Suppose I am selecting everything. I can select each one or I can whatever I want to. So clicking post. So all that will run for posting. Okay. So all the unposted will come here. Encumbrance journals is for budget. If you want, so same screen it goes because you can select here, no, posting actual or budget. If you want to create a budget journal, here you can select it. Okay. This I told import, run and correct. Import correct means what happens? So payable or receivable or whatever module, the journal is coming to GL. In between, it is getting stuck. Okay. Then it will be stuck it here. Mostly this feature is in R12. R11A you can find more, but R12 you don't have the problem because of SOA. But they given this. Why they given? Maybe other than Oracle you will have, right? See, nothing is getting stuck. Okay. Because from if you run from external thing or something, there will be a problem. Here nothing is lies here. So these are all interface issues. Okay, right. Then allocation recurring. You know how to create a recurring journals and allocation, mass allocation, that formula. Recurring journal you have to create a batch. For rent, etc., you will give, right? For example, rent every month you have to create. Not just like you'll create one line, etc. So what happens? Normally we'll create rent for big companies. They will have different department. Like I said, a manufacturing company will have a number of department. So you'll have 100 to 200 lines per journal. So it is better to create a recurring template, and every month you can do it. Okay. So you can have auto copy. The template option is there. So one by one line you are giving like this. Here they given amount also, but if you leave blank, you can enter that. Maybe amount per year, if you are paying every 11 month rent will increase by 12 months. You can change the amount also. So it's not a problem. Okay. Any doubt till now?
No doubt.
Okay. We already seen, but I'm
Yeah.
okay. Okay. So once you created this template, you can generate it. Okay. GL, apart from the setup, everything is one time only. Mostly you will have the work in the subledger. Okay. So it is generating and scheduling and this thing. Next, your budget and your report. Report, I'll show you. What is a report? See, I told in Oracle Financial, you can run only or trial balance default. Balance sheet and profit and loss account, you have to only create. So there is a standard report. Standard report, you are going view request find, right? There it will go. So all inbuilt report. What is financial report is you have to create. For example, we'll create in front end. We are functional consultants. Functional consultant will create this report is called this FSG report we call finance statement generator. Okay, this FSG report will create. Okay, so instead of depending on technical team, we'll create a profit loss account. We can create expense report like that. You can see this is report name you are running. You can see you define a row set, you define a column set. I'll show you query and show you existing one. It is just very simple one. Okay, they created a balance sheet. See here. So in the line 5, we are showing asset. You are manually typing here. Line 10, current asset. 15, cash in. Like that, according to our format, we are defining it. Okay. So one time if you create, you want a similar format. Suppose I want only assets, only liability, or only I want assets, the loans, etc. This will be useful. Okay. See here, they have made it. Okay. This is row set. Then we have to create a column set. Row and column if you define and then attach to a report, that is called FSG. Just now we created a heading there. Okay. Balance sheet. Yeah. So here, column in the heading, the month or something. So they're giving the type and YTD or something like that. Okay. So now, then we have to go to the report. Okay. So suppose I am creating a income statement, that is P&L account. So what happens? I have to attach the row set what I created. I have to attach the column set. Once I attach it, and then it is a row. I'll save it. Then I have to run the report. Once I have to select the period, which month I have to run the report. I'm giving December 12. Okay. Just save it. See the request number. So this is only we are creating. So we are not depending on technical team. Just we are creating. Okay. See the view. So you can see this is the what created. See in the top it is column set. We have given YTD, P2D like that. Here what we given is the income, revenue, net, whatever you want, and we given 5 space. You remember whatever you given the space, it is coming like that. You want to change it. Suppose I want to increase the space here, so I have to go to the row set and increase some size, so it will come down. So this is like not very much attractive. This is what we can create. If you want everything in Excel format, that and all, then we have to depend on a technical consultant. Okay.
But we can create it once, right? For the full year, like.
This is the output what we created.
Okay.
This is a text format. So what you are asking is other format.
Anyway, for example, in this format for income statement, if once a year,
So
like
whatever you want, you can create. The technical team will customize the report. Okay. Technical team only can write the coding. This is not a Excel report or XML, right? Okay. If you can see with the detail, it is like a text format. Here you have the option. Maybe the technical team will create a template and attach here if you tell the format. So you can view in Excel or something. Suppose.
But that is a one-time job, right? Like one time only they have to do, right?
Yeah, one time only, correct. Normally, this is created internally where you want to present something. Technical team will take time. Maybe this will be done easily, right? That's only.
Yeah. Okay.
Suppose I am running trial balance. If you see here, okay. So if you go to the layout option, here there will be template. Okay. So this template, they will attach the Excel template that there and everything. Okay. So you can see there, right? So that will be there. You can see in the real scenario, they will help you. Once they created any customized report, they will help us. Oh, this is how you have to do like that. Okay. So once you've done the testing only, you will accept it. We'll see any customized this here. These are all default reports.
But
Suppose
at least, but trial balance is there, right? Inbuilt.
trial balance
Is
there,
there already?
inbuilt.
Okay.
Built in. So all in text format it is coming, but the technical team will help you to change the format. See, almost the finance people, everything want in Excel, correct? To compare
Yes.
or do something, they will help us to do in Excel. They will copy and they will do in Excel also. Okay. So that will help us in Excel and this thing. So that's
But the trial balance we can download to Excel. It is there in a.
this will be not in the standard. Our team will help to do it. Okay, the template they have to create and attach. That is easy only. Anyway, one technical consultant will be there. Okay. So you have the auto copy. Okay, I'll give an overview of AP, right? That will be interesting. Any doubt you have in real, or I'll give overview of AP?
No, it's okay. Like once I start, I can do, yeah.
Oh, you don't have time. Okay.
In here in Oracle, like the bank and cash, that all can be passed in JV, like in general ledger.
You mean cash
GL
entry?
module, cash or bank entry. That can be done in GL also,
Yeah,
or
everything you can done. See, cash or bank, why you want to pass? In which? Because whenever you receive money, you receive in AR receipt, correct?
yeah.
To vendors and miscellaneous charges. Whenever you pay money, you pay in AP. Why you want in GL? GL you can make an entry, but you have to put a control. Only you put the bank charges and petty cash. Petty cash you can make. You will make everything you can make, but every company will restrict because in subledger only you will have the control. Okay. Because everything comes with the invoice. GL only adjustment entry you will pass, audit adjustment, that like that. Okay. Normally in accounting scenario, GL should be restricted. So we all see that like that only. Yes.
Okay. And in report, I wanted to see, like, for example, bank charges. This statement can I see, or any particular account details?
What do you want to see?
For example, salary. Salary is
Okay,
account.
I'll show you that. That inquiry account you have to go. See, any account, if you implement, you will understand. General ledger, Visual Operation, USA. Go to inquiry account. So this will show from the starting. Suppose I am implementing from January 16, you can see from that to till date. Okay. See, this is having from March 13. So up to this is latest here. So here from December 95, it is from Jan 96. I am going to give Jan 13. Okay. Up to 2013. So that means you are having around how many years? 16 years, correct?
Only for this year, we cannot give the date range, like January till October.
No, any range you can give. 1 month, 2 month, 3 month. So I am giving
Yeah.
for rent account. Okay, I want to.
Okay.
So this I have to click the show balance. See here, every month the P2D is running. Okay. Suppose like you said, I want to check for these are all no entry.
Okay. And the narration is not like any way to expand any particular narration or something.
So I am opening this January 2001 and you can see all the entry for rent is coming from AP. So input is purchasing invoice. Okay. So even before 16 year, you can you can easily drill down. So drill down. Table doesn't. This says maybe the old one is somewhat happened here.
It will not show total amount somewhere.
Yeah, it will show. Wait. Okay. So far, oh, this is 0. So I am clicking for June 2003. So there are 2 journal. Drill down. I think some table error here. Wait. Whatever we created, we'll see. What account I given now? Remember miscellaneous expense. Okay, you can see for 2001 entry, I'm clicking the drill down. It is going in. From where it is coming, it will show. It will take us to the invoice. So see here. Very old. You at least logged in, right? It's working.
Sorry?
For you, it is working system.
Yeah, it
Oracle.
just started actually.
Okay, good. At least working, right? You checked it.
Yeah, yes, yes.
So here I drilling down view transaction. So we are in general ledger. It will show the AP transaction. I'm checking that. See, it is showing AP invoice and everything, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. And you can see everything. You cannot alter. You can see that distribution. So see that all the accounting entry, how it is accounted, everything you can see. Okay. So you don't have clearly you can go to inquiry and see that. Right? So this is inquiry. Any account, if it is very manual journal, you can directly see the manual entry, directly see the GL journal. If it is other module, it will go to the module and you can see. That is the inquiry account. That like that same thing, inquiry journal. If you want to have some journal name, like I want to inquire whichever SR has created, I am clicking find. See, whatever the SR journal is coming, I will review the journal. I can review it. See what I created, right? Inquiry is the main option in the support module. Okay, because whatever the issue is, you will go drill down and check from the GL. From where it is originating, you have to go and check it. Okay. Right? Understood?
Yeah.
So that is what. Okay. So report we see. Consultation also will just show that entire GL. So what is consultation? You know that we are in mission operation.
Consolidate.
Yeah, we are in mission operation USA. There is vision operation India. like that I am having 10 companies or something, like the
Yeah.
management want to see is in a single books. I don't want to see 5 balance sheet and 5 trial balance, correct? So that is I am consolidating the books there. But you cannot combine really, because in India there is a different tax law, US there is different, Philippines, Malaysia, like that. Just for the sake of the management, we are consolidating. So it should not affect the real books, correct? That's what consolidation is create. Normally consolidation will create a new ledger and will club all the normal one. Okay. Now here in the example, from Vision distribution to corporate. So parent is Vision Corporation, Vision distribution. I am pulling all the balances. So there are two types. Only the balance. Suppose salary at the end of the month is 10 lakhs for all the employees. I can mostly they will go by balance, or each journal by journal I want to push. Every transaction I want to see there. Maybe they are having a separate audit for that. Okay. That also you want to see. Okay. Then you want to go for transaction level. Right. So I am giving balances. So how you map it? I clear it before we see segment rule. This is an important thing. Suppose I am buying a new company, they are in Oracle. Okay. I want to club it into the same system. See, they can have 5 segments. I am having 5 segments, but see how it confined to the 4. The main is account, right? Company and account. So except company and account, whatever the other things you don't have to worry. Okay. Except see company as in single value to 0 to department to department, account to account. Normally, see intercompany to 0. That means we don't have intercompany. We are putting into default. Normally, default will give 0, right? I told 2 default segment will have, correct? Example, I am telling. Any company while creating a chart of account or something will create a default value to accommodate any additional segments later. Okay. So that's why we are doing it. Okay. So this is how they do the rules. Even it is having 5-4, the main account should be in the account, right? Account rule. Okay. So you can put account also. Mainly we are doing only segment mapping. Okay. So that will come here. Okay. This is what we'll do the consolidation. What is consolidation set? Consolidation set here. I already create a consolidation. So like that, you can add 3 or 4 consolidation to one. You can club it. See, for a single consolidation, I can club the second consolidation here, whatever is available. It means it's already there. This is transfer data. So from one consolidation book to other, it will get transferred. How the data will transfer. I am selecting a consolidation. Project manufacturing to operations. Which period? I am giving December 12, which is open in our book. Standard period. Transfer. Fine. So See that journal import is running, right? So it will import from this to there. So it is warning because I don't think anything will be there to pass it. See, if it is getting error, we have done some setup wrong. The warning means nothing is, data is not available. Okay. See, found no interface record to process. In that month, in that ledger, nothing is there. Okay. Warning, you don't have to worry. Oh. So this is how we do consolidation. Okay. Currency is inbuilt, but we are having two types here: revaluation, translation. I told what is revaluation. Revaluation will have a template like, see, unrealized account. We'll create it here. Revalue AR in foreign currency. This is the revaluation account. Type is corporate the given. So I'll create one more. Type I'm giving user. So I'm giving unrealized. Save it. Okay. So whatever accounts I'll give, the unrealized, the report will run. Revaluation of that assets or liability will run. It will generate unrealized profit loss account into this account. Okay. Take asset. So 1100 to 1999. So I take an asset account. Maybe unrealized loss. Change it. So liability, two series maybe. 2100 to save it. Revalue. So this is a revaluation program revalue balances. So I am going to revalue for December 12th. I think December 12th we have put some transaction. So it is automatically taken the last day of the month. Okay.
Okay.
So the entire month it will do the revaluation. This value. So I take an entire asset and the entire liability. You can also exclude some values. So nothing is there. See, everything we created in what maybe I'll run for a different month. Even no data is there. If data is there, it will come in the output within here. This is the revaluation process. Okay. What is translation? Remember, translation is entire balance sheet and P&L. I am translating from one currency to other currency. Okay. See, to target currency. What is that? Period. Translation. Or directly you can go here, run the program translation. See, there is a trial balance translation, which balancing company currency. I am giving GBP. period. So I want to convert entire trial balance of USD into GBP. Okay. One more translation program also will write. What is the target? Balance type actual. Trial balance transaction will be the no data from the program. We were to give USD. There is an option, copy the request. Whatever you given, just copy it. It will come the same way. So this is showing error. We'll see why it is error. The view log. Control F. Error. Here, let's just error. Still, see what it is telling. It is checking for every period. Output as disabled for the request. Oh, this is period close. Set up, open or close. You want to open period, you have to go here. Select the target period. Click open. This is how we are opening a GL period. So after this, there are no period here. So I want to check which calendar used for the mission operation. So go to setup, calendar. This is the mission operation calendar. So what happened up to March 2013, it is there. So I want to add some period so that I can open the latest period also. Quarter 2, period 4. So each and everything we have to type manually only. That is a problem here. Okay. So this is how the technical team, the support team will do manually to increase the calendar. So its system will not come directly. Control S. Support is overridden, it will not accept one date or something. Overridden or something, it will not accept. Okay. Right. So I created May, I'll create a June also. Save. So now I'm going to open our close period. Now I can find open period. Now you can see up to June because I created. Before it is not coming. So I'm opening up to May like that. So if are not available, it won't come here. Okay. See here. Thing goes into error. Why? We have to open. So up to April it is over. May. So they are having two future period. So what is future period? I told two future period. Future period you can enter a transaction, but you cannot post it. Suppose whenever the GL team is free, they can post the prepaid insurance, that, this, and all. Because the month and they are very busy, they cannot do it, right? So they will do it in the that one. So when they open the period, they'll correct the amount and check it and go for approval and do it. Okay. Now, same thing. The period I want to open in AR also. AR AP will. Yeah. Up to June, if I created there, it is showing not open. So what I am doing, I am opening. At a time, you can keep in AP and AR and GL. FA only currently one period will be done. Okay. So this is future period. I don't think this will open. Only keep it under future. Here also same. Okay. Control is saved. Okay. Right. So now closing the period. I want to close this 2012 November. Actually, we have to close one by one. So close is there, close pending. I close it. So what I is telling, system is checking for the unposted items in tables. So if any unposted item, it will tell this much unposted, go and clear it, this much issue. So this is period close process of GL. So some error is coming. November 12. We will close the down. You can see all are open. So it is showing error. Okay. So anyway, we opened up to May 2013. So even if I create a transaction in May 2013, so what will happen? Even if I create a transaction, not get posted. Suppose I'll try to create. So May, the latest one. Okay. This is a GL period. This is this one. I'm going to line item. Control S. So even though GL date is there, the date of GL is 31 May, it won't transfer to GL. You can see here, tools create accounting. I am creating to final and post to GL. Let's see what is happening. Create. Go to view tools, view accounting. You can see journal. Okay. So if you click the show one, here it will show the general ledger batch name. See here, I created account. Here nothing is there. The batch name, accounting number. Whenever I created that one, the GL account, batch name, everything will be created. Suppose I am copying same journal to the old month. We'll see how it creates or not. Okay. Copy to 0 days and time. So GL date I am giving up to March. Okay. Right. Save it. So this section date is not important, only the GL. The report is running, that's why it is not showing. Recurring program not completed. Once it completed, only the invoice number. So it is warning. Don't know why the warning is. Fine. So now you can see it is created. So same thing I'm giving save and giving completed. Tools, data accounting to GL. Same thing I'm doing in the month of March 2013. Tools. I think I'm checking now. New journal entry. Oh. They're also not showing. Now let's go to GL and check. Run the program also for safer side. There is a transfer to GL. We'll see transfer journal entry to GL. Date I am giving up to 31/05/2013. Post in general ledger, yes. SR AR test. So I'm giving batch also. So in that batch, you can see what are all created up to this date. Everything will be created. Okay. Any doubt?
This part I will see. I'll just practice. I'll go through the recording.
Yeah, this is
It's
practice.
okay.
Tell me.
Yeah. No, it's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, just we are what is doing because we opened GL up to April, but May and
Yeah.
future period. But I'm checking in future period. I created AR journal, AR invoices. I'm checking what happens when we create AR in future period and what happens in GL. Okay. AR it is open, but GL it is not open. No journal entry we have to check. Why there? Okay. The journal import is created. Just click that, you know how many journals are created. You can see this, right? December 12,
Yeah.
10 lines, 2 header, 2 invoice. Line is 10. In March 11, it is created 4. Jan 11 is created 2. That means whatever you created in the latest month, no, that is not created. Okay. Let's see there. Go to GL. Maybe it is created before also. We don't know, right? We'll go directly to GL and cross check. Close. Receivable. So I am going to find for Jan 13, whatever is coming in receivable. So latest is we'll see May 13. So it is unpost. See, you can see that, right? What I have created, it is created as unposted. Even I told to post 31st May. I'm trying to post now. What is the error it is showing? Please open the period you selected for this batch before posting. So
Yeah.
even though from AR or AP it is allowed, system GL will not allow you. Anyway, it is transferring to GL. Up to that, it is okay. Then it will be in unposted status. When the period is open, it gets posted. Okay. This is what the import journal is about. So we have covered GL. So what you do, you practice it. Once you practice it, it will better to have the next. Okay, next class we'll have.
Yeah.
I'm free. So wait.
Could you please share this recording?